Kita nak pergi mana hari ni, Bunga? Where you want to go? Abandoned house.
We go in first.
And then? You nak buat apa dekat sana?
Toy better.
Play toys with Abang Zaidan. Okay. So before tu kita pergi lunch first, okay? Okay, say okay, Daddy.
Okay, Daddy.
Kiss me cepat. Pergi rumah Abang Zaidan. Okay, bawa Bunga play toys, playground since ini weekend. Okay?
Press dah.
Okay guys. So you full? Okay, so
Heading to
kita kena, kalau kenyang kita kena cakap apa? Alhamdulillah. Okay. So lepas ni kita going to, are you ready?
Yeah.
How excited are you?
Okay, let's go.
Okay, adik, let's go.
So Bunga, are you happy?
Hai Lina.
Adik, are you happy?
Yeah.
We dekat mana ni?
Bagi dia pegang satu, bagi dia pegang Daisy dia.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come,
Let's go for yang.
hold my hand. Zaidan,
Toy.
toys. Bunga, tepi-tepi. Bila you walk, you tepi, come, hold my hand.
Toy. Okay.
Tepi. Yuk. Kita bawa buat tangan sikit. Tak banyak pun. Ada dah semua ketul. Harap-harap cukup, tak cukup kita order lagi. Are you happy?
Yeah.
See, got a lot of trees. Okay, bila you sampai you kena buat apa?
Pegang,
Assalamualaikum. Ring the bell.
peganglah Lina, show grandma. Show grandma your toys.
Let's go.
Ini apa-apanya?
Tomato.
Wait, don't. Come. There. No. Number 3. Careful with the claw.
Ada mata dek.
Itu kakak.
What are you doing?
Ma, tak payah Ma. Apa Ma tak apa? Kita tak payah.
Play slowly, nicely. Bunga. Are you happy? Ooh. Slowly Abang Zaidan. What's that? Wow. Banyaknya. Tarik satu-satu. Wow, a lot of cars. Bestnya. Yeah.
Asya betul.
Where are you?
Asya.
I cannot see you. Yeah, come. Okay, Bunga. Finish. Lepas tu clean up, okay?
Lina.
Okay. Remember to clean up. Nanti kalau you tak kemas rumah.
Okay, Bunga go clean up tu.
Okay, adik go help kakak. Go. Wah. Abang Zaid also.
Jom, Abang Zaiden. Adik nak dia Abang Zaiden this one.
Tepi ke?
Abang Zaiden's room. Abang Zaiden's room tu.
Okay, Abang Zaiden. Abang Zaiden.
Ya.
Bila you finish main, you kena buat apa? Clean up all your
Put it on the table.
Nice.
Elena put on the table. Go put.
Okay, bunga go Arab. Let's go. Okay.
Elena put vacuum Abang Zaiden's room. Careful.
Abang Zaiden go. Cepat.
Hair grandma. Cepat hair grandma. Saya grandma.
Go.
Dia tu hati
Kita
dia takkan ni
hidup.
kalau dia takkan sorry.
Kena tolong menolong. Abang Zaiden, don't do like that. Senang. Oh, okay, cepat kemas. You want to follow me or not?
Elena tu hair grandma dia.
Abang Zaiden? You want to follow me or not?
Abang Zaiden's room.
What's your car? Ready? Here?
No,
Right.
I don't want.
Huh?
I don't want to bring that car.
Oh no. You walk.
I don't want to bring that car.
Which car?
Which car? Cepat kemas, cepat. Cepat, tolong, cepat. Dah main, cepat kemas, cepat. Abang Zaiden, pergi mana ni? Ha? Bila dekat jalan, look left and right. Let's go. Don't run.
Aden. Look at that.
Bila dalam kereta, what you need to do before jalan?
Baca.
Doa.
Muna. Bismillah.
Doa. Okay.
Muna mana?
Don't forget, baca doa dulu.
Bing.
Bunga baca doa dulu.